producer as well, which means that he has a lot of cigars to smoke.
They're not going to smoke themselves.
So I think we just, you know, we had the idea for this movie like 6 years ago on the Hot Fuzz press tour, and we all went off and did our separate projects. And I think that was it was good, because I don't think we would have written this screenplay 6 years ago. And it was something that we almost needed a break from each other to kind of, you know, the film is about friends reuniting and going back to their hometown, and in a way that's kind of what we did when we wrote it. So, but you know, Nick is first to read the script, and Nick, you know, like has copious notes on not just his character but the whole thing. So is very much included in the process.
Also, the process of writing the first two is the same. Edgar and I wrote it. We hand it over to Nick at a certain point. He gets involved, and then we, you know, so for this film to be the third part in this so-called series of films, we had to do it exactly the same way. The next film we do, we might all write together as one, because we don't have to abide by the criteria we set for ourselves with these movies. So, you know, and Nick's input is always paramount to us.
I also had a terrible fear of, I mean, what if we did write it as a 3 and God forbid it was awful? I'd get the blame for that. It's true, I would get the blame for it. So I didn't, you know, it worked, they worked. They're kind of talented, these two. So I just thought,